thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. Today we are going to have a delicious and juicy meatloaf. So go ahead and get your ingredients ready and let's start cooking. Okay, so today we are going to have a delicious and juicy meatloaf. We have 4 rolls of 1 pound of turkey, ground turkey. And what we're gonna add to that is bell peppers, 2 cups of Italian breadcrumbs, 1 cup of milk, Worcestershire sauce, Creole seasoning, onion powder, basil, bell peppers, onions, celery, Italian seasoning, parsley, oregano, thyme, garlic powder, one tablespoon of bouillon, chicken flavor, 5 eggs, sorry, I meant 6 eggs, and we have a can of Rotel diced tomatoes and chives, and we have a handful of green onions. This is going to be a delicious meatloaf, as you can see. You go ahead and mix all these ingredients together and we'll be ready for the pan. And I almost forgot, salt and pepper. Okay, mix all your ingredients up and we'll be ready for the pan. Okay, so we have our baking pan. I'm gonna go ahead and spray that, although I know this meatloaf makes some juice. We've mixed it all the way up. It looks absolutely delicious. And now I'm gonna add some to my pan. I don't think all of this is gonna fit in here, so I'm gonna make 2 pans, but it's fine because I'm cooking for the week also. We're also going to make a special sauce to go on the top of here, but that's going to be we're going to put that on after it's done. Looks like I am going to be able to get it all in. I just hope it doesn't end up leaking in the oven. All right, so now we're going in the oven. Alright, so we have our meatloaf. It is completely ready. it came out great. Look at that. Now it's time for us to put our sauce on. What our sauce is going to consist of is ketchup, brown sugar, and honey mustard. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to use quite a bit of ketchup for this, because this is a pretty big meatloaf. Then we're going to add some brown sugar. And we're going to add some honey Dijon mustard. And that's it. We're going to mix this all together, and then we're going to put this on the meatloaf and bake it until it caramelizes. Okay, so I have stirred all of that together. Now I'm going to take it and pour it over my meatloaf, and then I'm going to put this back in the oven until it's bubbly and caramelizes. And then I'll take it back out. Okay, back in the oven we go. Okay, so our meatloaf is officially ready. Thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.